Open google.com and search Kali Linux here. Click on the first link. Go to the download. Here you can download the Kali Linux latest image ISO file. Now search Power ISO and hit enter. Click on the first link and download the 64 or 32-bit. Open Power ISO. Now go to the tools option and create bootable USB drive. Select the ISO image file where you stored it. I am choosing my Kali Linux latest ISO file. Now click on start. Now our USB drive is ready to install Kali Linux. But before you install Kali Linux, you need to create a partition for Kali Linux. Now click on Manage Disk Management. Here you can select your drive and create a partition for Kali Linux. This is a network error. Click on No, select No and continue. Continue. Do not configure at this time and continue. Type your name and username. Type here your password. Select Pacific. Now set up the partition. Click on manual and hit enter. Now select the partition that we are created in Windows system. Hit enter button. Again hit enter and select ext2 file system. ext2 file system. Select here. Select the mount point. Now done and done the setup. Now finish the setup. Use arrow keys. Here it is asking for any changes. If you want to change anything, then click yes. If you don't want to change anything, then choose no. Now here you can select yes and format the partition. Now our setup is installing. Wait for the desktop environment setting. Here I am choosing default options. Now wait at least 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on your system. Our setup is installed. Now the Jira bootloader is installing. Click yes. Here select the primary disk because we are using dual boot. Use the arrow button and select primary disk. Our Kali machine is installed. Now we are in dual boot settings.